Next one here. Curious in your thoughts on rare earth metals. Still have a small position in Mountain Pass. Wondering if you're still bullish on this or if it's time to move on.
Well, we moved on a while ago, so it sounds like he's not a subscriber to our investing ideas products or any of our products, because obviously that question wouldn't come up. But again, we get you out of things. Okay, if you want to be cheapo and you don't want to pay attention to all of it, or you can't afford that, I get that too. Okay, I appreciate that second part. But the El Guapo, El Cheapo thing, I mean, that's tough, right? Because there are certain moves that we make that are critical that'll save you a lot more money than what you're willing to or should be willing to pay to be aware. So Mountain Pass is a great example. We had a huge run in that thing. It broke down on my real-time alerts, so you saw me not buying it anymore. You saw it removed from investing ideas. But it is interesting to add back at some point. What's going to be interesting for Mountain Pass, a big move in EOS Energy yesterday, Ouster, Blade, some of these names are going to get SPACs, former SPACs, now they're companies, obviously, de-SPACed is Mountain Pass. They're going to get added to the Russell 2000. Okay, so I think that's an interesting one. I still like rare earths, but I'll only like Mountain Pass when it goes back to bullish trend peeler. And that's a real important thing. Like, I am, as you know, as agnostic gets when it comes to a ticker called Mountain Pass or an ETF called GLD, right? Yeah, I short gold to hedge against quad 2 drawdowns because that's where you get quad 2 drawdowns in gold. It's okay, right? It's okay to be agnostic like this. And there will be a point where Mountain Pass starts to lose, or it's starting to actually lose its the volatility signal that made it bearish. There were too many people that chased it. And this happens a lot with their stocks after they work. This just happened to Playboy too. So again, after they work, people that do the El Guapo, El Cheapo thing, they see it on the site and they chase it because they're so used to peeler. I think like it's a different era. I was talking about the 1990s when the Santa Fe Institute really started to combine the weaponry of multiple disciplines, biology, physics, math. But a lot of these people that you just chase shit are of the 1990s ilk that think like Chrome Dome Kramer and stock picks and stuff on Motley Fool is where you get your picks. Like that's just not the way to do this, okay? We're completely revolutionary. Obviously, that's why I like highlighting this Irishman. Great leader, like leading the Irish to battle in the Civil War. I mean, this is what we're doing. We're in a civil war with these CNBC people, and we're crushing them.
Next one here. What is your...
You get all that just asking me about Mountain Pass? I mean, the poor guy's like, oh, my God.
Hey, that's just called passion. I hope you're a wine seller. I hope you never go bearish on wine. I like taking advantage of it.